Good morning, students. Today I want to explain 3.2 The Night I Met Einstein. Before starting the lesson, let's see warming up session. First question. With your benchmate, prepare a profile of Albert Einstein. First profession. Physicist, German mathematician, scientist, and field of science, physics and philosophy. World famous theory proposed, theory of relativity, the special and the general theory, E is equal to mc square, mass, energy, equivalent. Awards, Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. And disability in childhood, learning disability. Books written, I Can Get It For You, wholesale musical drama. Ferrello, The World As I See It. Ideas and Opinions. Okay, now see question number 2. Question number 2, their pictures given. See, look at the pictures of musical instrument and write their names, what the player of the instrument is called and a famous player of the instrument. See, first picture, tabla. Name of the instrument, tabla. Okay. One who plays is called tabla player or tabla master. A famous player, Kishan Maharaj, Zakir Hussain, Allah Rakha Khan, Bikram Ghosh. And second picture, Shehnai. Shehnai player or Ustad. Shehnai Ustad. And famous player, Ustad Bismillah Khan, already given. Okay. And next picture, piano. Pianist. Adnan Sami, A.R. Rahman, Bikram Mitra, Utsav Lal. Okay. Next picture, drum. Called drummer. One who plays is called drummer. Okay. Shivamani, Ranjit Bharat, Gino Banks. And next picture, violin. Violinist, Sundar Rajan, Johar Ali Khan, Balas Bhaskar, Jayaram Lalgudi. And next picture, sitar. Next picture, see, next picture, sitar. Here mentioned sitar, next picture. And called sitar player or sitar master. And famous Ustad Ravi Shankar, Vilayat Khan, Anushka Shankar. And next picture, trumpet. Okay, Trumpet, trumpeter. And famous player, Louis Armstrong. Okay, full name Frank Dubois Louis Armstrong, Dizzy Gillespie. Okay, now see next question given. Next question. Separate the words in the columns they belongs to. Here many words given. They belongs to music or common to both arts or dance. Okay. See, music belongs to music. These all word you search. Okay. Concert, that belong to music. Melody belongs to music. See, swar belong to music. Raga belongs to music. Chorus belong to music. Symphony belong to music. Serenade belong to music. Tune, music. Choir, music. And common to both, duet, audience, performance, hip hop, allegro. And dance, ballet, kathak, salsa, mudra, tango, odissi, choreography. These all dance. Okay. Now see page number, next page, page number 108, page number 108. See, the night I met Einstein. See here, Jerome Wedman, born 1913 to 1998, was an American playwright and novelist. In 1960, he was the Pulitzer Prize for his work, that annual American award, okay, Pulitzer Prize for his work. A musical drama titled Fiorello. He collaborated means work together with George Abbott, Jerry Bach and Sheldon Harnick for its music and lyrics. His book I Can Get It For You Wholesale has also been used for a movie of the same name. Okay, now see lesson. When I was a very young man, I was invited to dine. Dine means have dinner. When I was very young, the author was very young. That time he was invited to dine. Dine means have dinner at the house of philanthropist. Philanthropist means donor, sponsor, thinker, rich businessman. Okay. After a wonderful dinner, our hostess means a woman who invites, here given, okay, a woman who invites guests to a social event. Our hostess took us to a large drawing room. Chairs were being arranged. I am arranging the chairs for a concert. Concert means performance of music by players or singers. My hostess said, we were going to listen to a very good pianist. Now, hostess said, we were going to listen to a very good pianist. Okay, now listen. Why did the hostess take the guest to a drawing room? One question, okay. The hostess took the guest to a drawing room for a concert where the pianist was to perform. That is why hostess take the guest to a drawing room. Okay. Now, see next para. Though everyone else was very happy. Everyone was very happy. Why? They want to listen concert. But okay, we are going to listen to a very good pianist. So everyone else was very happy. I was not. Your author was not happy. Why? I did not understand classical music. He did not understand classical music. See, I did not understand classical music. Add a question tag. Here see, did not. So, which tag? Did I? Okay, auxiliary verb is there. So, did I? Question tag. I thought I was tone deaf. Tone deaf means actually unable to hear the difference between high and low notes of music. I sat down so that I would not be impolite. Impolite means rude. And waited for the concert to begin. He started waiting. Actually, he did not understand classical music. Okay, he thought he was a tone deaf. Then also he sat so that he would not be impolite and waited for the concert to begin. I did not pay attention to the music after it began. After it began, then also he did not pay attention to the music. Why? He was not interested. Okay. He did not understand classical music. He already said, and he also said he was a tone deaf. Okay. Now, after a while, I heard everyone clapping. Here I means author heard everyone clapping. So I realized that the piece was over. So that time everyone clapping. No, that time he realized, author realized why piece was over. Piece means here concert. Okay, concert was over. Just then I heard a gentle but firm voice saying, "You are fond of Bach?" That time one firm voice. Huh? He asked him, "You are fond of Bach?" Okay, actually Bach means John Sebastian Bach here given. Okay, John Sebastian Bach, a German organist and composer of the 17th century. Okay, famous German organist and composer of the 17th century. Okay, called Bach. Okay, now see, name the pianist mentioned in this passage. Who? Bach. Okay, answer. Next, I knew as much about Bach as I did about nuclear physics. I was going to say something ordinary so that I could get out of the situation. I turned in order to look at my neighbor and I saw a very famous face. See, I saw a very famous face. Add a question tag. I saw here verb is in past tense and sentence gives us positive information. So negative tag didn't I. Okay, didn't I. Question tag didn't I. I saw a very famous face. It was someone with the shock of white hair and pipe. Someone very familiar face. Someone with the shock. Shock means untidy or thick white hair and a pipe, smoking pipe. Okay. Now see. Next. I knew that I must tell this man the truth. He looked at me as if my answer was very important. I do not know anything about Bach. Okay. Now listen. I knew that, see here, I knew that I must tell this man the truth. He looked at me as if my answer was very important. I knew that I must tell this man the truth. He looked at me as if my answer was very important. I do not know anything about Bach. He said, I do not know anything about Bach. Okay. I said, I have never heard any of his music. He looked surprised. After listening that, he looked surprised. Who? White hair and a pipe. Actually, who? Einstein. You have never heard of Bach? He asked. You have never heard of Bach? He made it sound as if I had said that I had never taken a bath. Okay? Means great shock and surprised. He asked again. You have never heard of Bach? He made it sound as if I had said that I had never taken a bath. See, I had said that I had never taken a bath. I had never taken a bath. Tense. Identify the verb and tense. Okay. Here, had taken past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Okay. I had never taken a bath. I had never taken a bath. Past perfect tense. Had taken verb and tense past perfect tense. I had liked to understand music so that I could understand Bach. I said, but I am not able to. I am tone deaf. Again and again author said, I am a tone deaf. Tone deaf means what? Unable to hear the difference between high and low notes of music. Now see here, question given. One question given. What was the entertainment arranged for by the hostess? Okay, answer. See the questions. The entertainment arranged for by the hostess is a concert where the pianist was to perform. Okay, A concert where the pianist was to perform. And one more question given. What was the writer's reaction to classical music? The writer was not able to understand classical music as he thought he was tone deaf. As a result, he felt forced to pay attention to it. Okay, second question's answer. We will continue on tomorrow. Thank you.